Alright folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin train 715. That's your northbound train headed to Oakland London Square. And we got a BNSF header leading this one off before the F59PHI. And hopefully that F59PHI gets repaired in the Oakland Amtrak yard. Nice. Oh, it's coming on this side of the track. I gotta have to back up. F59PHI F59PHI 2007. And CabCar 8311 Mount Palomar. Alright, that is the 1 hour and 30 minutes late Amtrak San Joaquin train 715. That is your train headed to Oakland London Square. We'll continue on to Richmond, Emeryville, and final stop Oakland London Square. For connections to San Francisco, you must get off at Emeryville Amtrak station and your Amtrak bus connection to San Francisco. Nice.